Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just around 11:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York. It is Tuesday, October the 3rd, 2017, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. Quiet action in the precious metals pits as well as the dollar, with gold trading off only about $1.70 today, tracking at $12.7410. Silver in essence unchanged at $16.65, and also fractional moves in the dollar at 93.41. On today's video report, I want to take a very detailed and close look at the US dollar index as it relates to current gold pricing and our technical studies, which are looking for support just below current pricing at approximately $12.65. Traders, although spot gold is trading fractionally higher today, trading at about $12.71, up approximately $1 on the day. When we look at gold futures, this basis most active December's contract, we see that it is currently down approximately $1.80 at $12.74. We also see the fact that today's candle itself is a very small bodied candle, which is a doji. A doji can typically signal a reversal or point in which there is equal pressure between the bullish faction and the bearish faction. That is the reason that in many occasions it will indicate a pivot point or a key reversal. However, at the same time, it also indicates a rest or stop area in the market, and it's obvious that we have had considerable downside pressure with the dollar beginning to trade higher, beginning in approximately the beginning of September, the same time as we saw gold prices begin to decline. However, on quick analysis, we can see that although the dollar can account or can be attributed for approximately 3.5% of the most recent decline in gold, the total price descent or decline has been approximately 6 to 7% since it reached a high at $13.63 to current pricing, roughly $90 in terms of its price descent. Our current target, in which we believe we could find some substantial support in the market, is a 61% retracement, and it's a 61% retracement of the entirety of the rally from 1200 up to 1363. And traders, in as much as we see some real potential for there to be some support coming into the market based upon a 61.8% retracement, which falls roughly at 1265, about $8 from current pricing, we know that the only way we will see that occurrence is if we see some dollar weakness come into the market at the same time. And traders, we could see just that. I've just gone ahead and pulled up a dollar index chart. It is a daily chart. We can clearly see the bottom in which the index found some real support roughly at 91, and the subsequent rise from that, about a 3.5% rise over the month of September. Our real resistance area on a technical basis that we think will come into play happens at around 94, so about 60 points or 0.6% from this particular price point. We can clearly see on this long-term chart an entire band of an area in which this market had tremendous support at roughly the 94 area, and we can also see that current pricing is right up to that particular price point, within striking distance, in the same way that the dollar fall is within striking distance of finding support. So that based upon our current analysis, I believe that the recent decline in gold pricing through the month of September as we move into October could in fact come to a conclusion within the next week or so. And as I said, the particular price point that we are looking at is $12.65. What we want to see is a methodical compression of the current selling pressure so that we see some sort of base form in and around this particular price area. Therefore, my recommendation is to maintain our current neutral stance and await our next signal before entering the market from the long side. Inasmuch as we have seen a tremendous decline in gold pricing, taking it from 1363 to its current pricing around 1274. We have also seen a tremendous upside spike in the dollar index, moving from recent lows at 91 to its current area above 93. My sense is that we have technical studies indicating both a strong level of resistance coming up in the dollar index, as well as technical support indicating strong support for gold. We're not quite at that area, but I believe we are very close to it. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.